Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to filter a card table in Basecamp. Alright, so first off, log into your Basecamp account, and then once you're in here on your dashboard, open up this specific project. Okay, now once you're on the project's dashboard, all you need to do is just find card table. Okay, right here. And if you can't find it, don't worry, just go ahead over to the three dots right here at the top right, click on it and click on Setup Tools. And then here, make sure that card table is toggled on. Once done, go back. Again, click on card table. And when we go ahead over to the top right and click on the three dots, you won't be able to see filters. Okay, but don't worry, there's a way for it. Okay, go ahead and go to activity right here at the top, click on it, and then go ahead and click on choose a report. Okay, you can go ahead and find all the latest activity, someone's assignment, hilltop view, to-dos, upcoming dates. Or you can go ahead and filter by project, filter by people, find the name, for example, myself right here, filter, and here are my cards. Okay, you'll be able to know or spot that it is a card if there's an icon like this. Okay, a card icon. Now going back to projects right here, go back to card table. To make the card table easy to use, make sure that every step you have a column for it. Figuring out first, maybe not now, in progress, reviewing, or uploaded first, then review, then once done, paid. Right here. Make sure that every step got its own column. Okay? Let's say add in another one. Trash. Add column. There you go. So let's say we go ahead and add in some card, video, save, move it to trash. There you go. As you can see here, this is a way of filtering out your card table as well. You can go ahead and name this one, maybe not approved, save changes. There you go. Or if you're trying to find things, for example, this one, YT video. So what you do is press Ctrl F on your keyboard and just find YT video, like YT video. There you go. As easy as that, you'll be able to find what you're looking for. Okay, move, or maybe this one right here is done. There you go. One done, or one is still reviewing, and one has been uploaded but not yet reviewed. Okay, that is it. That is how you filter a card table in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.